Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Millennial Investments for this edition of Coffee and Stocks. In Coffee and Stocks, we're going to be looking over some pre-market movements. Today, we're going to be looking at SOS, which recently broke a key level of resistance. If you look at it from the 1 hour time frame, we had a level of resistance at the 395. We broke through that after gaining some great momentum yesterday. The stock consolidated, fell, but then found support right back above those 395 price levels before bouncing again to the 714. It has since consolidated in the after hours market and pre-market to 539. Stock is now finding support on a smaller time frame. We can identify that at these 539 levels. It's safe to say 537 even, but what I would pay attention to going into today is if we can keep and hold that support and then bounce right back up to the 714. So if you don't have a current position in the trade, then you could potentially find an entry here to catch the momentum continuing forward to retest those 714 price levels, which would actually give you somewhere near 30% on the trade. I haven't done the actual math on it just yet, and that's just a rough estimate. But what I would look for it to do going into today's session is make sure we don't break below that 531 price level and hold. Make sure that we find strong support and buying volume above these levels, and that would verify that the trade's going to retest the 714. To go back from a longer time frame, let's look for more levels of support and resistance. As you can see, the stock is currently showing signs of being just a few dollars away from its 52 weeks. Well, this is much longer than its 52-week high. If we do find support above that 714 level, then we would be retesting the 880s. That would actually give us a $3.40, give or take, gain on the profit, which is well over 50%, near 60% levels. So let's pay attention to the stock going into today's trading session. As you can see here, we actually retested these 714 levels back in August 19, found some resistance, fell, and then bounced back up. And so we could possibly see the same trend as long as you look at the stock, look at the trade, and see if we can identify some volume. Let's bring in our intraday volume bar. It's already there. I don't know why it's not showing. But anyways, going back to the trade today, just pay attention to this above the 531 levels, and be smart. Don't be too greedy. If it breaks below that, then we will be retesting the 395 as we are trading between that 395 and 531 price range. Other than that, be smart, make some money. Thank you. Tim at Millennial Investments.